how to activate Vodafone SIM card. Now, this is just a very quick and fast tutorial. So all you have to do is just, of course, first things first is open up the welcome pack from the SIM card that you receive. So it's going to be either one of these options is right here. You are going to receive a physical SIM card. So all you have to do is chip it from the card. It's going to be a micro SIM card or whatever is compatible with your phone. So once you have inserted a SIM card, make sure that your phone is turned off. Once your phone is turned off, now insert your SIM card, and once you turn on your phone, there's gonna be a prompt that Vodafone is activating the SIM. So all you have to do is follow along those instructions, and you're able to activate your phone once it turned on and once you have inserted it. So for you to be able to double check it, it is usually dialed as number as 111 or hashtag 100 hashtag. So just use it up on your dial keypads for you to be able to check and make sure that your SIM is fully activated. So yes, that's it. Those are the things that you can go ahead and check and do for you to be able to fully activate your Vodafone SIM card.